Let us continue with the chapter Types of Budget. We can see the budget are divided into two: balanced budget and unbalanced budget. Unbalanced budget we can see two: deficit budget and surplus budget. So let's see what is a balanced budget. Balanced budget is an ideal, the budget in which the government's estimated income is equal to the estimated expenditure. Means estimated expenditure is equal to estimated income. Then it is a balanced budget. A budget in which current expenditure and current income are same is called balanced budget. It means all the government expenditure of the year are met by the tax income of that year is called balanced budget. In this type of a budget, the provision of expenditure is made keeping in mind the income of taxes. So there are no ups and downs in the total expenditure. If the budget is balanced, then there is no change in the expenditure of society. In short, there will be no efforts to change the total expenditure in the balanced budget. The budget in which the government's total expenditure, that is revenue plus capital, is made equivalent with the revenue income is known as your balanced budget. The merits of balanced budget are: a balanced budget ensures financial stability. Here government avoids wasteful expenditure to keep the expenditure equal to income. And the third is, since the government keeps expenditure in control to match the income, it does not have to impose any additional taxes on the people to raise extra income. Demerits of a balanced budget. Balanced budget is not desirable for developing country. Those countries need more investment for development in infrastructure, so it is not possible in the limited income. So deficit budget is inevitable. Now, to maintain the balanced budget, government takes the step of increasing tax revenue to meet the expenses. The people have to bear excessive tax burden. It is a difficult task to maintain balanced budget. It is not easy for the government to cut down the expenditure when tax revenue is reduced during depression. Especially, it is difficult to cut down the long-term big project expense. According to Professor J.M. Keynes, deficit budget is more advisable than balanced budget, especially in a country where there are questions regarding unemployment and recession. Adam Smith was in favor of balanced budget. Unbalanced budget. In unbalanced budget, there is difference in expected incomes and expected expenditure. According to this difference, there are two subparts. 1. Deficit budget. 2. Surplus budget. Deficit budget. A budget in which government's estimated expenditure is more than the estimated income, then we call it as deficit budget. In the formula of deficit budget, anticipated expenditure is greater than anticipated income. A budget in which current expenditure are shown more than the current income is your deficit budget. To meet such deficit budget, government has to borrow loan from public, bank or financial institution. The supply of money increases effective demand. Most of the developing countries frame deficit budget to solve the problem of development and stability. Second is surplus budget. A budget in which expected income is more than expected expenditure is known as surplus budget. A type of unbalanced budget in which the government's estimated total expenditure is less than the estimated total income. Formula we say surplus budget anticipated income is greater than anticipated expense. A budget in which government expenditure of current year is less than the current expected income is surplus budget. This type of budget is mostly found in developed countries. When the economy is facing extreme inflation, such situation, then surplus budget is framed to make the economic situation normal.